top 10. We going further. We were top 10 dead or alive. I swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Little POV drive. About to go get some food, but I thought I might as well just record. Y'all really didn't get to hear the car yet, even though it's stock. That's why I ain't really recording nothing, because it's just stock. But it still got a little oomph. That shit. Sports Plus on that motherfucker. That shit instantly shot up. Nigga, shut the fuck. Got a little kick to it. Boy, flying right now. I don't know if y'all hear those burbles. It, like, kicks you in the back, bro. That shit feel crazy. The wind is so fucking loud you can't even hear that shit, really. That's how quiet the car is, for real. Definitely needs to be woken up. Downpipe tune. Shit sounds so good, bro. If your area don't got this, I'm sorry. Shit valid, bro. Bitch. Yeah. Do a little bit of ranch. Gotta put y'all on, bro. Build your own pizza, 11 inches, $10.95. Unlimited toppings. About to go crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, let me get some feta. And then also some ricotta. That should go crazy. All three of these meats. Yeah. Better. Kids always fighting, trying to take their seatbelt off. walked in a Chinese supermarket, bro. That shit look like it's good as fuck. Nah, there's mad snacks I ain't tried before. Whoa. 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 What is going on? I'm not sure which country this food from, bro. Oh. Yo, wait, what's going on? Are these regular Oreos? It's just Chinese? Ox ear, nigga? Excuse me? Taurus. I'll come back, bro. I came here for juice, bro. Oh, I need toothpaste, too. $6.49 for some toothpaste right now? You shitting me?
Inside your mouth, speak!
Nah, this shit look like it's gonna charge me up. They packaging just looks so, like, beautiful. It make you want to get it. What is this white grape flavor? Is that soda? Yeah, let's get this one. I'm definitely coming back here. I'm copping mad shit. Like, bro, purple Fanta. Got the orange Fanta. Is this Japanese or Chinese, bro? I don't know. Someone please tell me. I'm not trying to be racist. Nutcracker, blue colada, 8% alcohol volume. Feel like it might fuck you up a little bit. I'm gonna get one snack. I used to eat these like crack, the little Jello shots. Mango and tamarind, that shit sound nuts. Someone tell me if that's Chinese or Japanese, bro. Please, in the comments.
They make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion. They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy patterns. We was making them plays at the dark. I don't rap, but I'm leaving my mark. Play it hard like I'm playing guitar. They were